Welcome to Decay Factor. Today is September 23rd on a Tuesday, 2025. Let's take a look at the market and see what's happening today. We have the E-mini S&Ps down by 0.22%, with the VIX futures up by 1%. Let's take a look at the others here. Amazon down over 2%, NVIDIA down over 2%, Microsoft down nearly 1%, the Q's down 0.21%, with IWM up 0.6%. And DIA nearly flat. Tesla is up slightly and nearly flat as well. Let's take a look at our portfolio here and see what's happening. We are going to look at positions that have legs in the money. BE is a short straddle. Let's go to the analysis tab and see where we're at. Looks like we had a down move in BE that kind of brought it back into our range. Look at that. How beautiful is that? $1.46 today, $146. This might be a good opportunity for us to, gosh, look at the IV rank in BE. That is insane. This might be a good opportunity for us to roll out. Let's cancel this order here. Today is roll week with 21 DTE coming up in just about 3 days. If we roll expirations where we're at out to the 59-day, we're going to collect an additional $9.95. But let's do a quick roll, and let's pull it over to, let's go to the table tab. We'll go up to the 59-day, and let's stretch these out a bit. Let's just kind of start somewhere in this ballpark here. Let's do something like that. So we're going to pay an $8 debit here, where our average trade price is $8.57. So I'd really prefer not to go beyond our average trade price minus our original credit. Well, our original credit is $1.43. So let's see how that shakes out here. $8.57 minus 143 gives us $7.14. I'd like to not spend more than $7.14 on this one. Okay, so we can do it if we stay wrapped around the expected move here for 59 days with an IV rank of 104, puts us at the 55, 105. We come over here at the chart. 55 is here and 105 is way up here. I'm okay with this. Let's do this. We can do it for $6.95. Thereabout. We get about $800 back on buying power. Let's run it. All right, we didn't get filled, so let's come back over here, replace the order. We'll increase what we're going to pay for. We're willing to pay for it, so let's go $6.97. And we didn't get filled, so let's go back again, replace it again, $6.99. We didn't get filled. We'll come back and we'll replace it again, $7.01. Let's keep going. Somewhere in here, we'll find a market for the legs that we want to trade here that make up our roll. And whatever that market is, it's fair. We will keep going. Let's go up to 709. Let's go up to 711. Eventually, we're going to get filled. There we go, filled for $7.13 in BE, rolling out to November. All right, and we are no longer in the money. All right, short call spread in Baidu analysis. This one might have come toward, oh yeah, this one really came toward us as well. Let's see if there's an opportunity here to roll this one out. If we roll expiration, it's 35-cent debit. We don't want that, so we're going to hold on to this one. But we did have a $100 increase today. Let's take a look again at our analysis tab. Yeah, it would be really nice if this one came back within our range. If we could get down here to, let's say, the 1 Let's call it even 115. That would be really nice. 120. What does 120 look like? Feasible? Yeah, it is. It's well within our range. All right. We'll hold on to Baidu. We don't really have to make a decision based on our mechanics until Friday. So Chipotle, what's going on with Chipotle here? What is going on with Chipotle? We had CMG. We were filled in our short put in Chipotle, which leaves us with the put spread. So let's go over to the analysis tab. We can see the analysis here. Total P&L. Let's expand this out a bit. So we locked in a $40 win on Chipotle on our short put, but we still have a $130 loss here. But let's see what happens. And then we'll go to GFI. We'll check the short call spread here. Analysis. This one hasn't moved our way yet. Nothing we need to do there. HUT, inverted strangle. Analysis here. Coming right into our range here. If we roll expirations on this one, we have the 38. Actually, we would want to do a quick roll on this one. Let's go to the table tab. We'll push it up to 59 days. And let's say we're wrapped right around at the money. We pay $1.50 debit. Let's do the same thing here. 817 minus original credit. 110, 707. I'd like to not go beyond 707. So what does that do for us? Keep stretching these out a bit. If we're going for delta, let's go to the 30 delta, 29 delta, 664. Buying power effect is a debit. All right, 701 gets us to the 28 and 44. Let's go over the chart here. 28 puts us right around in here. 44 puts us a little further up here. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and roll this one out. Oh, we have a reminder. We have an order here that we have to cancel first. Let's go back to the trade tab, send the order, and we're filled out in November in HUT, and we are no longer in the money. Short call spread analysis. Nothing we can do. GFI, I think, did we look at that one already? Nothing we can do. Chipotle, we know. And Baidu, we know. All right. Good deal. Let's take a look at our watch list and see if there's any opportunities here to put on any new trades. INTC, Intel, live your rank of 40. Earnings in just over a month. Day before Halloween. Let's go to the trade tab. Short, strangle, 59 days. Go to the table tab. Let's stretch this one out. 16 delta. 16 delta brings us in $1.22.75 pop, P5083, with a buying power effect of $309. 2 pennies wide, 3 pennies wide. Let's absolutely do it. Refilled, $1.22 and a short strangle in INTC in November. Let's go over to INTC. We'll group these together as a strangle. And we'll put our 50% good till cancel order in for 61 cents. On one lot, that's $61. Hey, let's go back, see if there's anything else. RTG, Warner Brothers. Let's look at this one. $59-day, 17 delta, 96 cents, $1.89. 70 on the pop and 84 on the P50. If we bring it into the 22, 23 delta, $1.20, $1.79. Wow. Let's go to 17 and 24. 17 puts us here. I think I'll stay away from that one. Oracle is a larger product, short strangle. Let's go here to the 59-day, stretch it out to the 15 delta and the 16 delta. And we would have to buy the wings. And we would have to risk probably more than I'm willing to risk. So let's go to the 10 delta and the 9 delta, $1.42. So we're at the 240, 430. Let's go take a look at the chart. 240 is here. 430 is up here. If we could get a little bit lower on the put side. But I don't like the width of these. These are really wide. Even though there's some liquidity there. I think I'll let that one go. Let's go to the short strangle in ETHA. We're going to push the expirations up to 59 days. We'll go to the 16 delta and the 17 delta, and I don't like the buying power effect here. Let's clear that one out. All right, well, that is it. I don't see any other opportunities here for us to get any really good quality short premium trades on. So thanks for watching this episode of Decay Factor. Join us again tomorrow for another episode. And then on Friday, we plan to roll everything else out that is at 21DT out to November. So you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.